Hey guys, welcome to All AI Tools. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use PlayHT to convert your text into your own voice, or simple how to make your own voice. Let's get started. Right now it's my own clown voice I made with PlayHT, and the best part is it's free. If you wanna know this AI, keep watching. So first go to website PlayHT and complete the sign up process using your Google account. Then record your voice for 2 to 5 minutes in clear voice and record it where the noise is less. The voice must be clear for best output. Then select voice cloning and name your voice. Then upload your audio file and wait for a few seconds. Fill some basic details. For example, I am young, an Indian boy, speaking English, age 19. Now your voice is ready. Now you don't need to speak in your videos. It's very helpful for content creators like us. If you found this video helpful, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube, and you can also watch my previous videos of how you can make a clown avatar for free. I am Vinit. It's very nice to meet you. You can download your voice from extract option from above. Thanks for watching guys, and press subscribe and like buttons and comment AI if you are interested in more AI videos.